Oh, it's that left leg, huh? Can you use those loppers up there?
Yeah.
To cut that branch off that she's hung up on?
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what one she's hung up on. I gotta get in there further.
It's right between those two.
It's okay, Katie. What are you stuck on?
Oh, I see it. There you go. There you go. She's free. She's free. Just bring her towards you.
Trying to bite me?
Oh, she's not free, huh?
Leg is still caught.
It's okay.
Grab the pinch to the back there. Here, let her calm down. Let her calm down.
Oh, you see it's her toe. Oh, she's free now.
There she goes.
There she goes. Yep.
Yeah, she's on the ground and towards the front.
Just need a little motivation. She saved herself. That's how you do it.
It's a hero right there.
Yeah, no problem.